हेलो, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। केम छो, कैसे हो आप लोग? इंश्योरेंस की पाठशाला में आप सभी का स्वागत है। क्या आप ये बात जानते हैं कि इंश्योरेंस की जो जानकारी है ये हम सभी के लिए इतनी जरूरी है जैसे कि सांस लेना। मतलब अगर आपको इंश्योरेंस की नॉलेज ना हो तो आप और आपका परिवार कभी भी फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेस में पड़ सकता है। तो चलिए आज का कार्यक्रम शुरू करते हैं इंश्योरेंस की पाठशाला का। हमारे एडिटर इन चीफ श्री विवेक इंद्र कुमार जैन द्वारा शुरू किया गया एक छोटा सा इनिशिएटिव इंश्योरेंस अलर्ट आज एक विशाल मूवमेंट में तब्दील हो चुका है। भारत के कोने कोने से हजारों इंश्योरेंस एजेंट्स, इंश्योरेंस प्रोफेशनल्स सभी हर सुबह इंश्योरेंस अलर्ट्स के समाचार और शाम को उनके न्यूज़लेटर्स की राह देखते रहते हैं। मतलब 2 साल में ये इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा और एशिया का दूसरा सबसे बड़ा डेडिकेटेड इंश्योरेंस न्यूज़ प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है। और अब अगर इसी रफ्तार से चीजें चलती रही तो वो दिन बिल्कुल दूर नहीं जब पूरी दुनिया में सर्वश्रेष्ठ बन जाएगा। चलिए आज का कार्यक्रम शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला सब्जेक्ट है हाउ टू अवेल कैशलेस फैसिलिटीज इफेक्टिवली, to which I would like to invite the respected Dr. S. Prakash, Managing Director at Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited. Let's connect to him.
S. Prakash, MD of Star Health Insurance. I want to tell our people about the importance of health insurance and how they can utilize the cashless services. I'm a medical doctor. I've done my MBBS MS from India and FRCS from Glasgow, and I understand the importance of health insurance for our people in India. When you buy the health insurance policy, please know about the futures and what is covered and whether you can have admission and treatment in all hospitals in the country. After you buy the health insurance policy, please make a note of the policy number. Take a picture and keep it in your mobile, so that in case if you have to go to hospital, you can take that photograph and refer the number, policy number. You can call the customer care 24/7 customer care service of your health insurance policy, of your health insurance company. They will be able to tell you what is the type of product you have, what is the sum insured, what are the diseases that are covered, the current admission, is it covered, is there a waiting period, do we have to pay some money from the bill? For example, if the bill is 10,000, are the insurance company going to pay all the 10,000, or they are paying 7,000 and you have to pay 3,000? This is called co-pay. Is there any sublimit? Somebody has got a health insurance policy for 5 lakh. They may go for a knee replacement surgery some 3-4 years after taking the policy. When they go for knee replacement surgery, the limit for that particular surgery may be 2,50,000. Although the sum insured in the policy is 5 lakh, the limit for that condition, total knee replacement, is 2,50,000. Why there should be a limit? Because these are insurance policies that are available at a lesser price. So they have a limit so that the hospitals cannot charge more than that. So you have to choose the hospital which can do the knee replacement surgery for that sublimit if your policy has a sublimit. If you have a comprehensive policy which has no copay, no sublimit, no problem. You have a high sum insured and you have an insurance policy that covers all types of admissions. You can go to any hospital. But before placing your insurance policy to the front office, call the customer care center and find out what is covered and what is eligible in your policy. Then the insurance company gives you the proper advice. The hospital refers you to the doctor. The doctor makes a diagnosis. After the diagnosis, the doctor has to write. You are treating doctor, whatever may be the specialist. He has to write that insurance document and tell the insurance company, this is the diagnosis and this is the plan of treatment. the hospital will fill what is going to be the charge, and that paper comes to our insurance company through an online portal. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no paper involved. When you place your request, it comes online to the health insurance company. The health insurance company, in Star Health Insurance, we have 250 plus qualified medical doctors who are going to look into the request. They will see whether, according to the policy, the admission is eligible. They are going to see what is the diagnosis, and they are going to see what is the cost. In this context, you should understand one thing. The health insurance company is not just paying money for your health insurance claim. Apart from paying money to the policy holder, the doctors in the health insurance company are going to verify the diagnosis. Well, आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है? जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना, what are the investigation results? Is the diagnosis correct? Is the treatment appropriate? Are you getting what is really required? Is there anything that can add to your problem or create complication? All these things are verified by the insurance company. If there is any problem, the insurance company calls the treating doctor and then clarifies, so that a person who has an insurance policy is getting not only money paid by the health insurance company, they are also getting a free electronic second opinion. The doctor in the health insurance company looks into all the records and then he approves the claim. Initial approval may be to some extent. At the time of discharge, the final approval will cover most of the expenses except the non-payables. So please make a note that if somebody is admitted for a bypass surgery, that the hospital wanted 2 lakhs, the initial approval may be 1 lakh, and after the surgery is done and once the discharge summary, operation notes, all the details are submitted to the health insurance company through the online portal, then the health insurance company will pay the balance. Out of 2 lakh, whatever is a non-payable, they deduct that and rest of the money they pay. And every time when the health insurance company offers their approval, there is an automatic SMS which is sent to the customer. You get an SMS on what is the sum insured and how much is paid. If it is not paid, if it is rejected, if it is a first 2-year exclusion, or if it is a pre-existing disease, those information are also sent by SMS. After seeing the SMS, if you are not clear, you have a doubt, there is a number given there where customer support, customer care number, you can call that number and get your doubts clarified. Ladies and gentlemen, health insurance is a big support which can help you to safeguard all your investments, your fixed deposit, your gold, your properties, all these things. If it has to stay with you, you have to take care of your health insurance. Because if there is a healthcare expense, this insurance will help you and you need not break your FD or sell your gold. Your hard-earned property will stay with you. So this is very important. In the Western world, in developed countries, majority of them have an health insurance policy. Whereas in India, very few people have health insurance policy. So it is a duty that we have to take care of health insurance policy and safeguard our family and our savings. And if there is a need, health insurer will come forward and settle your payment. If there is a need and if you get admitted in the hospital, the health insurance policy should be a support for you and they should be able to pay you. Well, in case you have a problem and the health insurance is not paying you on time, you can always escalate. You can report to the grievance department and the grievance cell will take care of your request and they will organize the need for you. Please note, all health insurance companies are governed by Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India and all of them are 100% trustworthy and professional. So please keep trust on your health insurance company understand the nuances of health insurance claims, and have a safe and healthy living. God bless you.
Wake up with insurance news at 6:30 a.m. only on Insurance Alerts. We are India's largest and Asia's second largest, most dedicated insurance news platform. We have a reach to over 1.5 lakh people, which includes 1.2 lakh of insurance agents from 200 towns. Insurance Alert now spreads to over 20 countries. So you can now download our mobile app from the Play Store, or you can visit our website at www.insurancealerts.com. ऐसे कमाने का मौका मिले तो सोने पे सुहागा है। तो चलिए अब हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे क्विज राउंड की तरफ। ओके, ये क्विज राउंड में मैं आपसे 4 सवाल पूछूंगी। अगर आप लोगों ने इस 4 सवालों का सही जवाब दिया तो आप जीतोगे 5,000 रुपए। जी हाँ, अब सही सुन रहे हो, 5,000 रुपए। ये राउंड के 10 विजेता होंगे और अगर हमें 10 से ज्यादा विनर्स मिले तो हम लकी ड्रॉ के थ्रू उन 10 विनर्स को चूज कर लेंगे। तो चले उस राउंड की तरफ। आज का हमारा पहला सवाल, IRDAI, आई रिपीट, IRDAI का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? आज का दूसरा सवाल, सेबी यानी SEBI, इसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है? तीसरा सवाल, इंडिया में कितने टाइप्स की इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज है? और आखिरी सवाल, इंडिया में कितनी इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज है? अगर आपको ये चारों सवालों के जवाब पता है तो जल्दी से एक के नीचे एक लिखकर हमें व्हाट्सएप या तो फिर मैसेज करिए। याद रहे, ध्यान दीजिए, आप हमें ये मैसेजेस सिर्फ आज दोपहर 1 बजे तक ही भेज सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसके बाद हमारी लाइंस बंद हो जाएगी। तो जल्दी से फोन उठाइए और दिए गए नंबर पे आप हमें मैसेज करिए। द नंबर इज 7977935695। आई रिपीट, 7977935695। If you want to see the best videos of insurance industry and interviews with the CEOs, CMOs, COOs, CDOs of insurance companies, brokers, TPAs, there's only one way you can look it up to. That is Insurance Alerts broadcast channel on YouTube. So you better subscribe to our channel, you visit and get notified with all of our new videos on insurance. Our upcoming event is the Insurance Agents Verdict Award for the best and emerging insurance companies, where insurance agents from all over the country will vote for their favorite insurance company. Our nominations begin from 7th of January 2021. It has been such an honor to be among esteemed accomplished individuals. आज के हमारे कार्यक्रम का समय खत्म होता जा रहा है, लेकिन आज के कार्यक्रम को इतनी ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने के लिए मैं हमारे दर्शकों का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ। और हमारे एस्टीम्ड चीफ गेस्ट्स, हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स, एडलवाइस टोक्यो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड, एजेंट्स, इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, ब्रोकर्स, TPAs, इन सब जिन्होंने हम पर विश्वास किया, मैं इंश्योरेंस अलर्ट्स की तरफ से उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। We wish you all a very happy new year and a prosperous 2021. May this year bring for all of us peace, joy, happiness and prosperity.